Don't have enough powder. Powder for every one of those. Several leaves.
I don't know if we should be here, man.
Let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Come on, Billy.
Hey, Billy!
Come on, Billy.
Let's get out of here.
Come on, Billy.
Billy, come on! Come on, Billy! Come on, Billy!
The British are coming out. And so they fired 2 or 3 shots on the left, except for one man who made the showing.
I think they're making a move.
The Battle of Great Bridge.
Oh, they're definitely
Who was one of the
Oh, no.
guys. His name was Billy Laura.
Get your shot off.
Billy Laura was a free-born black man volunteer.
Hey, go! Tell him!
And he stuck. He continued to fire
on, stop!
at the British 8 times, perhaps, before he too fell. To spread the word, to spread the alarm.
All right, we're gonna fire together and run.
Okay. Yeah, I see him over there. Ready?
To the left.
Got it.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Flash in the pan.
They began to reach the north end of the island.
One more try. Oh, I'm out. Come on, let's go, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Come on, Billy.
Come on, Billy!
Virginians! Get ready! Freezing! Fire! Try to load! Try to load!
That one's going down.
I'm gonna try one more shot and then I'm done for the day. You have a right, have a right. Keep ready, boys! Stop! Are we firing at will? Not yet. One more time. Virginians! Back ready! Reason! Fire! Prime and load! Prime and load! Quickly, boys! Quickly!
I need a pick, I need something. Come on.
Here, hang on.
We're just getting started.
I know. I'm gonna be chasing that the rest of the day. There we go.
Yeah, that was a boom boom.
Hey, the reach is west. There you go, Bess. Come on. Oh, I know. Keep up your fire. They're still in the range. Drive them back to the island. Do it again. Do it again. There we go. There you go. Finally. Come on. There we go.
I've done that during the
Put that barrel hot. I know it's going now. Hold your fire, boys! Hold your fire! Do the cheer! Huzzah!
Huzzah! Huzzah!
Just fall out to check them.
Have mercy.
It's okay. Do you have some water? Where are you hit?
In my leg.
In your legs. Well, we won't scalp you. We're not like that. That's just some propaganda.
Thank you. We heard it was awful, you guys.
No, we're good people.
I'll tell you where I come from, and we're good people as well.
We're good.
What do you think I use this for?
We're gonna give you a pat on the back, and you're gonna be okay.
All right, good.
We'll
Thanks.
get you back to England.
Do you have any money in your pockets? You'll be buried. Are you Captain Fordyce? Oh, you did great, Captain Fordyce.
Just on the wrong side of the war.
We'll forget where we bury you, but it'll be somewhere around here.
Some of us may stay here. Who knows?
He won battles at Halifax and Gibraltar. He was quite a guy.
So I hear. So I hear.